Hello children, welcome back to English Mulberry class. Today we are going to study a poem. The name of the poem is The Rainbow. Children, all of you might have seen the rainbow. All of you know how beautiful it is. So today we are going to study about the rainbow. Let's start this class now. Have you seen a rainbow? Where did you see it? Let us read and enjoy a poem about the rainbow. Children, this is the poem about the rainbow. Let's start reading it. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Students, this is a poem about the rainbow. In the poem, the poet depicts the beauty of a rainbow. In this poem, we are going to read a poet compares the rainbow to many other things, and the poet is telling in the poem that the rainbow is far more beautiful than any other human creations. Let's understand the meaning of the first stanza. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. Prettier means beautiful, cute, sweet, beautiful. In this stanza, the poet depicts the beauty of a rainbow. The poet narrates that the boats that sail on the river and the ships that sail on the seas are doubtlessly pretty. But above them all, the clouds that sail across the sky are the prettiest. Of course, the boats that sail on the rivers and the ships that sail on the seas are beautiful, are pretty, but the clouds that sail across the sky are more prettier than the boats and the ships that sail on the rivers and the seas. Let's study the next paragraph. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. In this paragraph, the poet is saying people build beautiful bridges over the rivers. All of you might have seen the bridges. What are bridges? Bridges are pathways that are made above the rivers so as people can cross the river. So these are bridges. So the poet is saying people build beautiful bridges over the rivers, but the rainbow, which is a bridge to the heaven, is far more prettier than a man-made bridge. The poet is comparing the rainbow to a bridge from the earth to the heaven that sparks over the treetops and then circles ahead to the sky, creating a bridge-like shape. All of you know the shape of a rainbow. You can see in the picture also. The poet is saying that the rainbow is just like a bridge to the heaven, from the earth to the sky. The poet compares it to a bridge. The poet says a rainbow is a bridge from the earth to the sky, that is to the heaven, and it overtops the trees. It means it is above the trees. So it creates a bridge-like shape. The nature's art of a rainbow is perhaps more beautiful. The poet says that the nature or art of the nature of creating a rainbow is far more beautiful than the man's creations. Summary of the poem. The poem, The Rainbow, is about nature. Here the poet compares the beauty of nature and man-made beauty. The poet compares the shapes to the clouds and the rivers. She finds that beauty created by nature is prettier than man-made beauty. The clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than boats sailing on rivers and ships sailing on the seas. But the rainbow is prettier than all the pretty things that sail on the rivers. Your homework is read the poem. Write it in your copies.